Would you like to know a simple tool that can help you take your time back and eliminate maybe your need for a secretary? So many insurance agents get thrown service work and they let it derail their whole day. Well, I'm going to give you a tool that will allow you to take control of your time and hopefully capitalize and eliminate your need at first for a secretary or somebody else to do that for you. So, we're going to talk about how to navigate time. We're going to talk about a simple tool to help you take it back that costs you $0. So if you're in insurance sales, time blocking is very important. If you're kind of maybe new to our channel and you're like, what in the world is time blocking? I'm talking about looking at the white space on your calendar and not letting anything wipe you out. So if you're one that is part-time, let's say you work 3 o'clock, just 4, 5, 6, 3 whole hours in the day, you're going to say from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, nothing is going to sour my time. I'm going to be so focused on that. I'm going to give it my energy, my all, no distractions from 3 to 6. This is powerful. That's called time blocking. If you're a 8 to 5er, 8 to 5, nothing gets in the way of that. And I can even eat lunch at my desk. This is what top producers do. They're laser focused, very linear, and they don't let these just derail them. But time blocking is very critical for you to really capitalize in an industry where, let's face it, 90% of the insurance agents industry wide don't make it. And sometimes it's because they're not making the right decisions with the utilization of their time. So your calendar, very important. It's critical to you. All about income producing activities, very focused for agents that make it. And agents that get derailed, they don't really block time. But let's get you to that free resource where you're getting service work calls. Oh, hey, Jason, check on my XYZ plan and see what's out there. Or, hey, Jason, I want you to change my address. Or, hey, Jason, can you look at changing my account to a trust, or any of those things? What you want to do is not let it come to your, let's say, 2:30, or do it at 6:02 at the end of your day. If you're a part-timer, if you're an 8 to 5er, you're going to do it before the day starts, or you're going to do it right after the day ends, so that that service work doesn't sour your success. Because it's really easy when you get in that rhythm called, can you change my address to blankety blankety blankety? Hey, no problem, Mrs. Johnson. You immediately say, can I give you a ring at like 5:02 today? Is that going to be all right? Yep, perfect. Okay, I'll give you a ring. We'll get that taken care of. Okay, thanks, Mrs. Johnson. I'll call you at the end of the day. Hang up the phone and go, hey Siri, remind Mrs. Johnson at 5:02 and change her address. Hey Siri, or hey Google, remind me to call Mrs. Johnson the address. Now you don't have to think about it. You don't have to put it in a spreadsheet. And now your money can be focused on prospecting more, to letting it derail you. And now you go back to working, and then you get another service call. Hey, Mrs. Johnson, I'll handle that for you. Can I give you a ring back at the end of the day, about 5:03 or so tonight? You can be home? Yep. Okay, good. I'll give you a ring then. Okay, thanks, Mrs. Johnson. Click. And then you go, hey, Google, remind me to call Mrs. Johnson at 5:10 or whatever it is in the day. Remind yourself. Siri will now bing at you to tell you what you should be doing. And you don't even have to have that in your bandwidth, so that you can see with more clarity how your calendar should look and focus on true connections, instead of having this laundry list of, oh man, I got to do this right now, when a little later, a lot of times, would be better. So focus on things that are the most important thing. And that's you staying in business so that you can sustain your career. But hey Siri, hey Google works fabulously well. Even if you're at the ballpark with your kids, client calls, paper or pen around, Mrs. Johnson goes, I need this or I need that. Go, no problem, Mrs. Johnson. I'll absolutely help you. Can I give you a ring on Monday first thing in the morning? Sure. And then go ahead. Hey, Siri, and put the time in your phone. Your phone now will bing at you, no different than a secretary being right next to you saying, hey, Jason, go do this. Use Siri as your secretary. Use Hey Google, my friends, as a secretary. And it's a client that's going to turn 65 at a certain date. That spreadsheet ain't going to you looking good. Your calendar doesn't really matter. Grab your phone let's say Mrs. Johnson's going to turn 65 on, let's say, November 1st. You're going to go, hey, Siri, call Mrs. Johnson on October 31st. And she's turning 65 November 1. Remind me October 31st at 8 a.m. Now your phone will go, beep. You don't have to write it down. This is going to not rob you of opportunity. It's going to put opportunity right at your finger because let's face it, your phone's in your hand the whole time. So use Hey Siri, use Hey Google. It's a great way to be able to remind yourself of things without realizing the cost of a secretary. You can do so many things with Google. You can do so many. Jason's birthday, October 9th. Call him and wish him a happy birthday. Ding. And it will do it for you right on your phone. This is a powerful tool, underutilized by most agents. I hope this helps you. Silly little video, but I hope it was simple enough to bring you some value. And if we can do anything for you, we do recruit partner with powerful agents nationally to sell life insurance, Medicare insurance, and annuities face-to-face as well as in the telespace. And of course, free resources for your taking, no matter what work family you align with at jasonfinalexpense.com. I appreciate you greatly, my friends. Remember, you've got what it takes, but take control of your time so that you can be in the best position possible to win. And I hope you love this